This year marks a major milestone. 20 years of CHCP serving the San Antonio community. And today, we are proud to unveil our beautiful new campus. We are honored to continue building the future of healthcare together.
Mother Teresa said, "If I look at the masses, I will never act. If I look at the individual, I will." And that is what CHCP is about. Every one of our aspiring professionals, our students, is an individual with hopes and dreams.
Determined to rise above it all. Step by step and year by year, I built my path forward. I earned certifications in phlebotomy, EKG, lab tech, and medical assistance in different seasons of my life.
Her story reflects the success of herself, her family, and our community.
Professionals here at CHCP are giving individuals the tools to rewrite their story and serve others with compassion and skills. I want you to think about a 20-something who maybe high school wasn't the best experience for them, and college never a reality, because we've talked to so many like that. They don't have to be relegated to a life of entry-level jobs. With a place like this, they have hope. I believe that what you're doing here, you're showing that it's never too late to learn, it's never too late to grow, to achieve something. And so I look forward to the next 20 years to see the future of healthcare being built right here in San Antonio, one person at a time.